I should bring my glasses now. I ain't gonna bring them in the morning.
That's your outfit for today?
Yeah, is it okay?
Let me see your bald head.
You like that bald head?
No.
You love it. You love it.
We're going to the Bahamas.
We're in the Bahamas.
Or we're in the Bahamas. Actually, hold up. Forgot to get my lip tint. We're going to Bay Street. This is our boat right there. And this is the carnival right across. So that's our boat right there. It's so sunny, it's big. So we're just gonna walk to the huh?
It's the Crown Victoria. We're on the Grandeur.
Yeah, our boat is Grandeur of the Seas.
This old sucker.
Right there, that's our boat. Who's driving the boat?
Me.
This is the Atlantis right across, right there. If you guys want to go to Atlantis, I think it's kind of expensive.
Very nice, very expensive.
Yeah, very nice, but it's really expensive. We've been there before. 2017, right, babe?
Something like that.
Yeah. So now we're just going to Bay Street and claim my earrings and free Bahama Mama drink.
Get a bracelet too.
Yes. We're here, Nassau. So I think, where's the Bay Street? They have their little shops where you can shop for a souvenir.
It's up to you, baby. Wherever you want to go, look around.
We'll just we'll go to Bay Street. Yes.
Oh no, we're good, thank you. Later.
So we're gonna go to Bay Street and just look for the shopping area for now. So today is Sunday. I don't know what time they open.
The Nassau with the dolphins.
Alright, so we're gonna
Nassau with the dolphins.
We're gonna get the, my mom some souvenirs. So this is shop tax free. So one for $20. Wine glass is for $20. I think. I don't know.
Or the turtle. I think the dolphin would be perfect. They have the finest. I'm gonna get them the light green dolphin. Or the,
so this is how they look like. Bay Street is somewhere here. I think the dolphins, the blue.
Okay, that's what I want. Yeah.
We got Pandora. We got the little shops going on. Yeah. Right there.
Man, the cabana joint was the nicest jewelry they had. Was the cabana joint.
Oh. So they're having 50% off.
I like that. Yeah.
We're looking for souvenirs for my mom. Emerald. That's my birthstone. You know my birthstone?
50%.
Emerald. I just told you that.
I'm so good at that stuff.
Oh, look at this scarf.
The green?
Yeah, the green one.
And the Tanzanite, or the cabana.
Ooh, I like that one.
You're gonna like the cabana. Did you see the thing he showed, the cabana?
Yeah, I seen it. They have more shops here. Are we going there later?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cocktail. Ooh, that looks
Got Rolex.
okay.
We're here at the t-shirt shop. T-shirts for $4.95. If you guys want to bring some souvenirs for your family or friends, we have some nice shirts here. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but they also have hats, sunscreen. Oh, that one's nice. Just hold the one with the Nassau Bahamas, or that one, the blue one, like the teal color.
No?
It's very simple, baby. I mean,
I like the palm trees.
okay. They're $5, right?
This one's 10.
Oh, that's $10.
Let me go look at the 5. This is extra large.
We have more bags here. Ooh, they got shot glass. And some mugs. No, this is not a shot glass. Ooh, some mugs. Coffee mug. Oh, that looks nice. Oh, this one? We're going back to our crew, or going back to the boat and drop the stuff that we bought. The Bay Street. Wait, Bay Street or Main Street? Main Street, yeah. And we're gonna eat lunch and then head back here so we can go to the Juncana Beach. Oh. Frozen's gonna take us to Juncana Beach.
Alright.
Oh my goodness. Look at her. Her name is Frozen.
I like this. This glass is working real good now, baby. It doesn't work good in the dark sometimes.
Really?
So limestone?
You see the bank at the end? That's the Bank of the Bahamas. The bank is whereby they made all of the Bahamian money here. That money the same as American dollar. You have a dollar per dollar, you have the 5s, the 10s, the 50s, and the 100s here. And even as a dollar, you can take that back home, you keep that souvenir here. You don't have to go to the bank to get a Bahamian dollar. You can get it in the local stores around you. You have it all around you. And Charlotte Street, thank you very much.
I want to see how the Bahamian dollar looks, baby.
Yeah.
That church, that's called the Trinity Methodist Church. The church is dated back in the 1670s. It's made out of limestone and steel. That's the about Beckett Street. Thank you back to Base.
You said limestone?
Yeah, man.
Oh man, both of that one's made of limestone. That's limestone. It's right over here. Wow, look at this limestone.
That's Fernando Street. Right. Fernando Presbyterian Church. Dated back in the 1670s here. You know, steps that you take at the post office on the government badge. On the 9th bracket. City big trees, you see it? That's the Chevrolet. When you go up in the United States, they mostly use it for house plant. But the bullets we get down here in the summer, in the winter, it's like 45 in the winter.
Oh, okay.
Going to the beach. My one piece.
Oh yeah. I see it.
Private homes, all along here. That's called the Palm Hotel, one of the cheapest hotels downtown. Dolphin Hotel.
We're almost there. We're here. The Juncana Beach. They have some coconut. We're here at the beach now. This is our cruise. We're at the beach. Babe. It's a coconut. And we have our own, how do you call this? Paddleboard? Yeah, inflatable paddleboard. He got that out of Amazon. Our inflatable paddleboard. We have our pump here with us. This is good. It's really nice. The sun is coming back out now. So just This is a public beach, you guys. If you want to come here, it's a public beach. You don't have to pay for anything, but except for if you want to be in a chair, if you want to rent out a chair. I don't know how much they charge. $10 or $15 on Junkanoo Beach. And if you have towels, it's fine. We have our own towels here from Royal Caribbean. It's free beach towels. And I have mine more here. Alright there. It's final to sit down. I don't know where he's going. Babe, I think you don't have to feed him all. Oh!
Get it? Swallow it. Let's get out of here for birthday.
Rent or something. There. I don't know how much though. Beach fun day. You have kayaks, snorkel gear, floating tubes. Is this a oh, I thought it was a bathroom. It's nice outside. Grab and ooh, look at that food, LJ. I'm having Mama and my husband is having a beer.